My name is Dominic and I've raised over $20 million for startups. I did this all from the marketing perspective, but right now we are focusing on AI. And in this video, this is the first lesson I'm running. I'm going to show you how to improve your AI ability. If you are a beginner, this is a video for you. If you are already deep in the AI sphere, I would recommend you wait for the next few videos where we'll get deeper into how to 10x your AI's ability so that the outputs get a lot better and you have an actual assistant, an actual AI assistant at your disposal. So in today's video, we are focusing on the very first step that you need to do in order to improve the ability of your AI system. So what we're going to do today is create a profile file, which will basically allow your AI to know you in many different scenarios. So know what you are doing on regular basis, your profession, your business, or yourself as a whole. So by doing this, the AI will adjust the answers and the outputs so that they match your needs and criteria. So I've created an article on X which has the prompt. If you don't want to search for X, I'll also link this prompt in the description of this video. So basically you copy the entire prompt that I've created. This is a deep prompt. This is where it ends. So we copy this prompt. And as a beginner, you would probably use your AI in a very basic format. So you would have chats open, you would ask your AI questions in here, and the answers that it provides are very generic. And in this lesson, we are going to improve that. So what you want to do is start off with the new chat and paste this prompt in. Once you paste it, go ahead and click send. And right now, what you need to do is go through 25 questions across 4 short parts. Just go ahead and answer all of those questions. These are basically questions that are going to help your AI system know more about yourself, your business, and things that you want to achieve. And by doing this, we'll have a profile file at the end, which I'll show you exactly what to do with once you have that profile file. So go ahead and answer all of those questions. It shouldn't take more than 5 to 10 minutes. So once you have answered all your questions, the AI will generate a file for you. So I'll see you in a bit. So now that you've answered all of your questions, you will have your profile MD file. Download it onto your computer, and what we're going to do is go to projects and create a new project. Depending on what AI you're using, you have different abilities to create projects within your system. For the purposes of this video, we are using Claude, but ChatGPT has the project section as well. It's very similar, so go ahead and create a new project. Name it My AI Assistant. You can name it whatever you want. It's just a case of creating your project. So let's go ahead and complete. Once you've created your project, locate the profile MD file on your computer. And what we're going to do is we're going to drag it into the context section right here. So right now I have the profile MD file in the context section. And basically what you want to do from now on is, instead of creating new chats when you're interacting with your AI, instead of having this generic way of using AI, From now, you open projects, you open My AI Assistant, and this is where you prompt your AI from now on. This is the very first thing that you need to do in this lesson series for you to create an AI assistant that will be 10x better than just generic, new chat way of doing things. So this is the very first step. And now that you have your profile file, go ahead and ask your AI some questions or whatever you want to do, and you'll see a noticeable difference in the way it answers the questions, but also in the way it thinks and does things for you. In the next lesson, we're gonna add some instructions so that your AI assistant is always on the same page. It doesn't hallucinate as much. And we're gonna move from the beginner stage into more advanced things over the next few weeks. So if you are interested in this type of content, I do recommend you subscribe, because we are going to create a series where I basically take you from the beginner stages of AI, and at the end you would have multiple AI agents act for you and do things that are really, really impressive. So you can use these AI agents in your business, in your everyday life, and it will make the whole system a lot better than it is as a generic, beginner. So this is the first lesson. This is the first step. Let me know how you get on. And if you are interested in getting the prompts, I do recommend you guys follow me on Twitter or X, where the prompts go straight away. I post them on X first, and then I create videos. But if you don't want to do that, you can also get the prompts from the description of this video. So this is lesson 1. Go ahead and kick off your AI journey. I'll see you in the next one.